Hello and welcome to another vlog. For those who don't know, I pulled my neck yesterday and today it is really sore. It's so sore it's actually making me feel sick. But anyway, got another package today, so we'll see what that is and let's check on the sea monkeys real quick. So they're definitely getting bigger every single day, look at that. Alright, so the sea monkeys are looking good. Let's open this package. It's going to be something for the GoPro. I'm not sure what it is. I've ordered a few things for the GoPro. So let's open it up and have a look. Think I know what it is. It's the dog harness GoPro mount. There you go, so you can mount it on the back behind their head or on their chest. Don't know if I'll do this today, I really want to, but my neck is killing me so badly. I've got to turn around and move my head really slowly, so I don't know if I'll do this today. I'll see what happens, but it's awesome. That's it there. So there's the, get some buckles and stuff with it, which is cool. And yeah, that's it there. I hope it fits her as well. She's a big dog, so I think it will. I think it stretches and adjusts. That is cool. So I've just been doing some work for the last couple hours. My neck is still killing me. As I was working away, I jumped on the net to look at something and an ad popped up for a $1,500, $1,500 HDMI cable. I'm not joking, it's on Amazon. Have a look at this. That's actually for real. I don't know who would buy that. It's called a diamond. Maybe it's actually got diamond in it. Who knows, but that's just nuts. Sorry guys, the vlog is probably really boring today. My neck is killing me. I'm still gonna try and see if I can put the harness on Kimber and make her run around the backyard a bit. I think it'd be cool. For now I'm just working on a website. It's a website for a new land development and I'm just adding some more lots onto the website for them now. You know what? I'm bored. Let's do it. Good girl. So it's pretty good. I've got to learn how to put it on properly because it keeps moving to the side and my neck is killing me, so I can't really battle with her while I'm trying to get it on, but we'll see what the footage looks like anyway. But you can see it keeps sliding side to side, but and I'm scared to do it really tight. I don't want to hurt her, so relax, pumpkin. Anyway, that's enough fun with this for the day. Yeah, so I think it can work. It's just a matter of me working out how to tighten it up properly. I just whacked it on quickly and as I said, my neck is killing, so I'm trying to bend down and pull the little cords on it and stuff, but I think it'll be pretty cool once I work out how to use it. Alright, back to work. It is now 6 o'clock. I'm just going to have a shave, get changed, and then head off to Katie's. Feels way better, but my neck was killing me as I had to move around and stuff. It's really sore, so I'm really hoping by tomorrow that it feels way better. this happens to me quite often, I think because of the work I do staring at the computer. There's a lot of strain on my shoulders and neck. Sometimes I've had this where it's lasted like a week. It sucks, so I really hope it's better by tomorrow, hopefully. I'm just going to catch up on a few things really quickly, then I'm going to head to Katie's.
Smaller rolling look.
Yep.
She smells like
I'll eat another hour.
she smells like chamomile tea or something. Is she in focus?
You're in the, yeah. Hold her.
I'll stay. What do you got? Ooh.
No more after this, okay?
She got more.
Okay, good girl.
Take it on your mat.
Good girl.
What's she doing?
Good girl.
Just let him take it. No, Missy's already swallowed hers.
Yeah, that's just swallowed it. Alright guys, so I'm just heading home. Nothing much exciting happened at Katie's house, so I didn't really film much there. And talking about that $1,500 HDMI cable that I showed earlier, I actually looked a bit more into it and I found someone's actually done a review on one. So someone actually bought it and did a review. It's a pretty big tech channel on YouTube actually, so they probably just did it for a bit of a laugh, I guess, I don't know. But they did say they saw some marginal gain in the quality of the video, but I don't think it would be a $1,500 gain. Anyway, gonna end the vlog right here. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.